Number 5. Shark ION Flexiv 251. Hassle-free runtime. 2X Ion Power Pack System. Multi-flex technology. Duo Clean technology, a combination of bristle brush and soft roller. Floor-to-ceiling versatility. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Shark Ion Robot RV750. Works with Alexa for voice control. Self-cleaning brush roll captures short and long hair, dust, dander, and allergens. Smart sensor navigation seamlessly navigates floors and carpets. Dual spinning side brushes pull in debris from corners and edges, one-touch activation. Long life lithium-ion battery. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Shark Navigator ZU561. Powerful deep cleaning. Lightweight design. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. Swivel steering provides effortless maneuverability for cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Cord length, 25 to 30 feet. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Shark Rotator NV752. Shark's original full-sized powered lift-away. The canister detaches to deep clean hard-to-reach areas. Anti-allergen complete seal technology. XL capacity with full-size performance. The dust cup holds 3.3 dry quarts. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Shark Apex AZ1002. Shark's ultimate cleaning experience featuring Shark Duo Clean. Dual brush roll system deep cleans carpets. Powered lift away. Advanced anti-allergen complete seal technology and HEPA filter. The 0M self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal. Please check the description for details and best price.